There's someone in church who we've all noticed, we all have issues with her. That one particular issue, she keeps filibustering, pissing everybody off, going on and on about being very, you know, the tenets that we're all very familiar, very basic. When we need to communicate something crucial, and we're trying to find a slot in there to communicate, she takes up so much time in that meeting. The other enabling and perpetuating more of that same behavior, and I've seen it so consistently along with other behaviors that second lady's also doing maliciously. I know beyond a doubt she's in that church with malicious intention, disguising her acts as benevolent when they're actually obviously malicious, and she's speaking to a hierarchy in there all the time. This kind of behavior now, I'm recognizing it. I'm seeing malicious, intentional, systematic actions, deliberate and made to look. I saw Anita doing it in conjunction with Albert and Sam. Tania doing it because she's manipulated to by her brother Richard Holloway, the dog secrets they're keeping. And then when I brought it up today, and I've heard this before, privacy, you have to respect her privacy. You don't have a right to privacy. When murder is being covered up, you have to report it. When there's abuse, the right to privacy is retracted, is not there anymore. The law is you have to report it, and I'm a mandated reporter. Even if you're not, you see something's wrong, you don't shut an eye to it. The police certainly shouldn't. Law enforcement shouldn't, adult protective services shouldn't, and they have consistently. Because of that sentiment, privacy, or it's your own mother, it's in the family. I've had police officers tell me families are allowed to have dark secrets, not if it involves murder and ritual child abuse. Privacy within a family and abuse perpetrated by family members should not be protected. It should be you should put a stop to it. The communication of it shouldn't be prevented. I claim my whistleblower protection rights. You should not prevent me reporting this. And so many have. Miriam Prizel, I told her everything and communicated everything to her. So much of this, but she blocked it. She's a city council member. Systematic cover-up of corruption is indication of her involvement in it. It implicates her because she hides it the moment she hears it. She kicked me out of the Facebook page of the Poa Basin dog park when I was reporting her and the corruption perpetrated on me by the police. We should not shut an eye to rampant corruption and abuse. We should look into it, even if it's more expensive to expose it and correct it than to cover it up. Go watch the movie Border Town with Jennifer Lopez and Antonio Banderas. That same notion. Wake up, America. Dodge